AI is near and dear to my heart. I couldn't even remember what my most recent prompt was because I do it like 100 times a day. And so it's like, do I remember like which order of steps I took to the stage? Not really. But from an AI perspective, my seed investor is Sam Altman, and I put a quarter of my net worth in his company years ago, and I'm like, pretty closely tied there. So I have sort of like an unfair advantage in that the board let my company do a collab with OpenAI and building a new model biology, essentially, an ability to generate new human proteins, which just blew all of us away internally, and also the OpenAI team that were working on it from the other side, and that its ability, they just started spitting them out and they worked, and we tested them in cells and they were 10 or 50 times better. So it's crazy. It's like we're living in like a sci-fi world, and it's very much helping our therapeutics programs, but it's also like maybe we have the best model in the world right now in that domain, probably for 15 minutes until 100 other ones do, I don't know. But it's definitely going to change everything. And so I think that's going to drop on the OpenAI blog probably in the next 2 or 3 days, which is kind of exciting. So right now I'm raising a much larger amount of capital, gave us a seed of 180 million, but now we're raising more because we want to launch 16 new programs, because that's literally how hard it is and how much it's going to take to really make a dent in aging. That's how the venture studio-ish internal group thing is, I guess, what does it mean for society? And it's like where does it go? And I think, in a way, it's really indistinguishable from medicine. It's like, I think some people say, like, oh, why do you want to help humans live longer? Like, aren't their lives miserable as it is? Or is the planet overpopulated? And like, why do you want to take my 95-year-old grandmother and like extend that misery? And I think that, for one, it's like, do you, if somebody goes to the hospital and they're sick, do you want to give them medicine or just turn them away at the door? And it's just, there's really no difference. It's just that we're focused on, specifically on age-related diseases, which is like 80% of healthcare, just finding a different set of targets. And then there's plenty of answers to the other aspects. Like, as the world overpopulated, like the answer is no, it's shrinking in all the countries that seem to have gotten their act together and have a reasonable amount of security and education and figured out things like birth control. It's actually shrinking, so I don't think there's a problem there.